Hello and welcome to this special program on the Accounting and Financial Television Network. I'm Vicki Hutson. Education and training, it is one of the most significant items on any company's budget. From a small business to the largest Fortune 500 company, training is the one item guaranteed to have the most significant impact on an organization's future development. But not everyone can justify the costs involved in sending a financial team to a local or out-of-town seminar. Between travel, seminar costs, and food and lodging expenses, not to mention the loss of productivity incorporated in having people out of the office, sending employees to a training seminar can be a non-cost-effective activity, especially if your employees come out of a $2,000 6-hour class with only 1 or 2 new ideas. To the rescue comes the Accounting and Financial Television Network, the cost-effective center of any company's education program. AFTN's training curriculum brings nationally recognized experts and speakers in finance, management, operations, planning, tax, and accounting directly to your workplace for a fraction of the cost. No matter what the focus of your financial group, you'll find that our programs offer comprehensive coverage of highly valued core competencies that every financial planner and professional needs to master. We focus on bringing targeted, application-oriented information that's immediately applicable to the workplace, not just theories that may be forgotten over the weekend. A cost-effective subscription to our programming allows you to leverage your training budget to take advantage of outside specialty training opportunities to meet your particular needs. The modular nature of the programs allows training to be highly flexible and enables scheduling to meet the needs of your personnel in either group or self-study sessions. There's no limit to the number of participants that can take advantage of our programming. Whether you have 5 participants or 5,000, the cost to your training budget remains fixed at the same low price. Programming is driven by our subscribers and by trends and recent developments in the industry. We keep you aware of current issues and problems and their solutions before they show up in your office. And best of all, AFTN's innovative programming builds a constantly expanding reference library of training materials that can be accessed on an as-needed basis. Now, unlike a one-time training seminar, this video library can get new employees quickly up to speed with the rest of the office. Dedicated to providing our subscribers targeted and timely information, AFTN provides invaluable education and training to financial professionals and managers in industry. A NASBA-approved sponsor of continuing professional education, the Accounting and Financial Television Network is specifically designed to provide continuing professional education and development training for industry accountants and financial professionals. The program features nationally recognized experts in a series of segments geared to provide up to 48 hours of group or self-study CPE credit annually. AFTN is a cost-effective method of acquiring continuing professional education. One flat fee covers a full year of programming, and subscribers receive information specifically designed to meet the needs of the corporate financial professional. We feature topics directed toward your job responsibilities, helping you become a stronger member of the corporate management team. To facilitate licensing board reporting and personnel administration, AFTN tracks group study attendance, grades self-study exams, and issues certificates of completion and summary reports. Featuring viewer-driven programming, we bring nationally recognized experts in finance and accounting to subscribers across the country. Every month, AFTN delivers 2 full hours of timely updates, information, and analysis that will keep you current with the latest information on industry developments and changing regulations. As an added bonus, we include a monthly news report and a regular update of recent FASB activity. Each month, AFTN features new programming that covers a wide variety of different subject areas, including accounting and auditing, business operations, employee benefits, financial management, international operations, planning and budgeting, corporate taxation, and new technologies. Within the past year, AFTN has featured programs on SFAS numbers 130, 131, and 133, statements by the Auditing Standards Board numbers 83 through 87, and auditing issues which include accounting estimates and repercussions of the year 2000 problem. Other programs have featured articles on corporate accountability, transfer pricing issues, internal benchmarking, ESOPs, taxation on the internet, performance measurements, ISO 9000 standards, and business valuation techniques. Some of the nationally recognized experts recently featured on AFTN include former IRS Commissioner Don Alexander, former FASB Chairman Denny Beresford, e-commerce specialist Anthony Blackwell, former IRS Commissioner Sheldon Cohen, employee benefits specialist John Cole, tax litigation attorney Trey Cousins, tax specialist John Didon, Big Five partner Jim Hitchner, Auditing Standards Board member Mike Enzina, transfer pricing expert Julie Joy, Nike founder Philip Knight, labor relations attorney Nancy Lassiter, tax attorney Frank Mellon, employee benefits specialist Steve Ostrander, Vice President of the AICPA, Gerald Padway, Strategic Consultant Bill Reeb, KKR Partner George Roberts, Tax Specialist Mike Tucker, and Fraud Expert Gary Ziny. Let's listen now to some comments from satisfied AFTN subscribers.
The course is easy to follow and to comprehend. I especially like the flexibility to use when I can fit the course into my schedule.
Good coverage of a difficult and potentially complex subject.
The examples provided with discussion on calculation help us understand the concepts.
Interesting comments on technology in the business world.
Programs are well done and informative.
You know, I really like the straightforward approach taken on the subject, what the IRS includes in its audits, how the IRS proceeds in the audit.
Knowing what proposals are being made helps us to better prepare for the future. I can't tell you what that means for my company.
Enhances the user's learning experience with immediate feedback and gives the user flexibility to obtain credits needed for maintaining the CPA license.
The speaker was awesome. He was actually interesting to listen to and seemed to have a sense of humor.
The education process was enhanced by allowing me to go at my own pace and timing.
In addition to valuable training on a variety of subjects, a subscription to AFTN benefits the financial professional in a number of other cost areas. The training and education in each AFTN monthly video replaces the hassle and expense of sending company members to seminars scattered across the country. In addition to a reduction in travel expenses, AFTN also offers the speed and convenience of the latest critical information delivered right to your doorstep. The unique format allows subscribers to administer CPE in either group study or self-study formats, and it ensures that annual licensing requirements are satisfied. A subscription to AFTN exposes professionals to programming that combines the knowledge and skills of national experts with original network quality television. These monthly programs are an investment in employee development, expanding skill sets and broadening horizons. It's an advantage no company should be without. For more information or to order a subscription to AFTN, please contact one of our representatives at the numbers and addresses on your screen. Before we finish up, we'd like to show you a sampling of segments that were recently seen on AFTN.
Accountability and performance measurement are a hot topic. Everywhere I go around the country, we find that people are exceptionally interested in how to make this thing happen. You can have performance measurement systems without accountability.
The ISP, the Internet Service Provider, in a particular state that is leasing space on a commercial server, is the agent of this out-of-state corporation, let's say as Amazon.
So corporate governance by directors and owners really matters. And I would say that the U.S. economy maybe got off track in the 70s and 80s because you didn't have that.
In the year 2000, the combined plan limitation gets repealed. So in the year 2000, a lot of people are 50 years old and say, now I can switch.
To order a subscription to AFTN, please contact one of our representatives at the numbers on your screen. They'll be happy to answer any questions. For everyone here at AFTN, I'm Vicki Hutson, and thanks for watching.